Digital cameras have become an essential part of our lives, allowing us to capture and preserve memories in high quality. Nowadays, there's plenty of variety in digital cameras, with models designed to cater to a wide range of budgets and experience levels. Finding the perfect camera can be overwhelming whether you're a professional photographer or a beginner. In this video, we break down the best digital cameras on the market. You can find the purchase link all over the products mentioned in this video down in the description below, which are updated for the best prices. 1. Sony Alpha 7 IV. The Sony Alpha 7 IV is one of the best enthusiast cameras you can get. It's a fantastic option for hybrid shooters who want a camera that can do it all, from portraits and landscapes to high-quality video work. The camera itself is super well built, with a weather-sealed body, a fully articulated touchscreen, and a high-res electronic viewfinder. Inside is a 33-megapixel full-frame sensor that gives you plenty of leeway to crop and edit. Add in built-in sensor stabilization, internal 10-bit 4K 60 frames per second recording, no recording time limits, and a battery life that outlasts most of the competition, and this is one of the most versatile cameras in its price range for video work as well as photos. Despite its lower resolution sensor, it's very evenly matched with the Sony for photography, with even faster raw burst shooting. Still, the Sony has a slight edge for hybrid or video shooters thanks to its better battery performance and heat management. Creators shopping for a full-frame camera that can handle nearly any task should take a close look at the A7 IV. The SLR-style body pairs well with lenses big and small, while a front-facing LCD is an option for present-to-camera video. 2. Canon EOS R7. The Canon EOS R7 is a mirrorless camera tailor-made for photographers who want to capture sports, wildlife, and other subjects that call for fast, accurate autofocus. And the R7 excels at identifying people, pets, wildlife, and race cars. The 32.5 MP APS-C format image sensor matches well with telephoto lenses, offers plenty of resolution for crops, and supports 4K 60 video for cinema and vlogs. Weather-protected, magnesium construction makes the R7 a camera you can take out into the world. It's lightning fast both mechanically and electronically. The resolution offers glorious detail as well as the opportunity to crop into your shots, and the 1.6x crop factor makes your lenses even longer for shooting faraway subjects. The R7 is a good fit for photo enthusiasts and pros alike, especially those with an eye for action photography and a need for 15 frames per second subject tracking. As a main camera, the R7 is versatile enough for landscape and studio work, too, while video is an option for cinema projects. 3. Fujifilm XT4. The XT4 uses a 26 megapixels APS-C sensor, a format that is roughly half the size of full frame. The XT4, however, is for those of us who prefer practicality and usability over outright resolution. The XT4 crams professional features into a lightweight, easy-to-carry camera. Don't take that to mean that the XT4 is a slouch when it comes to image quality. Its X-Trans sensor delivers stunning detail and dynamic range, and Fujifilm's in-camera film simulations reproduce a range of popular film looks with no editing required. The classic design with analog-inspired control dials matches modern features like 5-axis censorship stabilization, 4K/60 video, and a fully articulating monitor. It covers the gamut from street photography to video production and everything in between, and it does all of these things to a very high degree of competence. The newly designed shutter is whisper quiet and can fire away at 15 frames per second, which, honestly, is more speed than any Fujifilm photographer was even asking for. The XT4 retains a lot of its features from the previous model, including the sensor, image processor, and 3.69 million dot electronic viewfinder. 4. Nikon Z50. If you don't need full-frame image quality and don't have the budget to match, an APS-C model is a great way to save some money, as well as a great option for those who simply prefer a more portable camera. Nikon has plenty of excellent mid-tier DSLR cameras, but the mirrorless Nikon Z50 takes the cake for us. It's the best Nikon mirrorless camera you can get at this price point. Despite its small size, it has a good grip and good external controls, and the retracting 16 to 50 mm kit lens is remarkable not just for its pancake lens dimensions but for its overall performance.
While it isn't the most portable APS-C option on the market, the handling, build quality, and features are all excellent for the price.
It's even weather-sealed, giving you more peace of mind when shooting outdoors. Inside is an excellent 20MP crop sensor that performs admirably in low light, and the camera can shoot at a respectable max burst rate of 11 frames per second. Topped off with a solid autofocus system and 4K video up to 30 frames per second, it's a very capable and well-rounded mid-level camera. The Z50 has some dust and splash protection, which isn't common for entry-level models. Just keep in mind that you need to add a weather-protected lens to take full advantage. 5. Leica Q2. Leica cameras are a bit like Marmite, you either love them or hate them. No matter where you stand, you can't deny they are incredible cameras that offer exceptional image quality. The Leica Q2 features an impressive full-frame 47-megapixel sensor. To call the Q2 a compact camera would undersell it. This 1.5-pound body has a 28mm f/1.7 Sumilux lens permanently attached to the front. That means you don't have to worry about buying additional lenses. It also means you don't have to worry about dust getting inside the body or dirty lens contacts. It doesn't shoot in 4K, but if you can cope with full HD, it can still record good quality video. The Q2 even has some straight-up impressive stats, like 1/500-second flash sync speed, which is twice as fast as full-sized interchangeable lens cameras. The biggest downside of this camera is the thing that will put most people off the price. It's an insanely expensive bit of kit, and it would probably be higher on our list if it didn't cost an arm and a leg. You can get the Q2 in the standard model or as a black and white only monochrome version if you're sure you really don't want color. Outro. Like always, their links for purchase with more information will be available in the description box. Don't forget to check them out down there.